This video tutorial I will explain what is DNS. DNS stands for Domain Name System. DNS is like a big directory or phone book for the internet. Instead of phone numbers, DNS matches website names to their unique internet address, which is called IP address. Example of website names are google.com, yahoo.com, etc. Now we will see how DNS works. Here you can see the DNS server. Here you can see the server which hosts the website. Here you can see the IP address of this particular server. Here you can see your computer and it has a web browser. When you type a website name into your web browser, your computer does not know where to find it. So it asks the DNS server. The DNS server looks up the website name and finds its IP address and sends the IP address back to your computer. Once your computer knows the website IP address, your computer can connect to the website and loads its content. Now we will see why DNS is important. DNS makes it easy for us to use the internet. Without DNS, we have to remember long string of numbers for every website you visit. With DNS, we just need to remember the website names. DNS takes care of finding the right addresses for us. How does DNS help? DNS helps us to find websites quickly and accurately. It is like having a GPS for the internet. DNS also helps websites to change servers or location without you even noticing. DNS updates the directory so your computer can still find the website. In summary, DNS is a system that matches website names to their IP addresses, making it easy for us to navigate the internet. DNS is like a big directory or phone book that helps our computers to find the right addresses for the websites we want to visit. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.